Hey guys, iMAT here. In today's video, I've got my hands on the Dateoy TerraX Pro. It's a sports smartwatch which comes with built-in GPS and waterproof body. In this video, we'll be checking out all of the contents in the box and we'll be taking our first look on the smartwatch. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So we get another box here, and inside it we have the smartwatch. So let's get it out. I'm gonna place it right here. We have two boxes. Let's open the first one. According to this, there should be the charger inside it, and yes, we have a USB A to 2-pin magnetic charger inside it. And if you open the next box, we might be seeing the documentation here because the straps are already attached. Yes, we get the user manual inside it. So let's move everything on the other side and take our first look on the smartwatch. So here's how it looks like. Let's take off the plastic wrap. And as I mentioned in my last video on the DT-G9, that the sports smartwatches that we are getting these days are quite reasonable in size instead of having a bigger body. This one also comes in a quite reasonable size. Let's take off this sticker, and we might have to press and hold this button to turn it on. Let's try. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It didn't turn on. Let's try out this button. It should probably turn on now. Yes, it has turned on. According to the starting screen, I'm judging that it will be using the FitCloud Pro application. So let's go ahead and check out the user manual to confirm that. So here we have the English instructions, and yes, it's using the FitCloud Pro application. I'm not really a fan of the FitCloud Pro application, but hopefully the smartwatch will work better than my expectations. So here is the display. The body is really well designed. I really like the overall design, and if you check out the straps, you can see that they're quite good looking. And also it's using 20mm straps, I guess, because 22mm would be wider than this. Let's try it out on the wrist. And here it is. Once again, you can see that it's quite reasonable in size. I'm quite skinny, so I do not have a wider wrist. So if you have a bulky wrist, it will actually look smaller on that. We also get the AMOLED display with the always on display option, and it does not have the tap to wake option probably. We'll check that in the full review. If you check out some of the main applications, I'm gonna reduce the brightness so the display is clear to you. So this one is a crown key. It has total 4 buttons on the body, which are a lot, but the buttons are really well designed, and the smartphone is not looking so ugly with so much buttons. So if you check out the applications, we get the basic applications like data, workout. If you check out the workout option, you can see that it has GPS working since it comes with GPS inside it. So when you use the outdoor sports mode, it's going to detect for the GPS signals, and once the GPS is connected, you will be able to see all of the path around you. Obviously, we'll be testing that in the full review. You scroll down, we have the health related applications, and here is the weather application. Then we have the music option. It does not have the option to store music files inside it. It's only for controlling the media playing on the device. Then we have the sports related applications like stopwatch, timer, and alarm clock. And once again, you cannot add alarms directly in it. You will have to use the FitCloud Pro application, which is one of the reasons that I really don't like the FitCloud Pro application. If you continue scrolling, we have the camera, and this one has the compass option. You get the barometer and altimeter too here. So I'll be testing it in the coming days to see if it can be trusted when talking about the pedometer, the oximeter sensors, the sleep tracking sensors, and also the battery life. If you're interested in that, the full review will be going live on iMAT Gadgets, as you all know. So make sure you are subscribed there, and make sure to subscribe to Unbox with iMAT for the future unboxings. If you're interested in purchasing already, the link is given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one with a new unboxing.